Nie muszę przedstawiać nikomu Johna Szumlasa chyba, prawda? Wiecie Państwo, kim on jest, wiecie Państwo, co on robi dla Polonii tutaj w Albercie i dla nas wszystkich. Dla mnie jest to wielki honor i wielki zaszczyt, że poznałam Johna kilka lat temu.
When you were at the embassy.
Yes, I know, 2015.
Yeah.
So it's been quite a long time ago, but I have to say that he's been always a friend, and I know that you can always rely on him. I'm so happy that he is our honorary consul here in Alberta. In recognition of those of his work, Prime Minister Donald Tusk has decided to award Mr. Szumlas with an honorary badge for the Polonia work and the Poles abroad. John, congratulations.